Hi everyone! It's Andre. Today my birthday. Pumunta kami dito sa Shakey's. At ayan guys, nakahanap na kami ng upuan. At eto na guys yung menu. Excited na talaga kung ano kumain. At yan guys, andito na yung pagkain. So, we have here Manager's Choice Pizza and Pepperoni Pizza and Spaghetti, Fried Chicken, and Mojus. At tignan nyo guys, yung first bite ko lang, ang creamy agad ng spaghetti guys. Isang bite mo lang, wow. So, guys, thank you I will shout out pala the staff for celebrating my birthday. They were very nice. And tingnan nyo guys, subong-subo na ako dito. So, guys, excited na talaga ako kasama meron akong dessert. At eto na guys. So, time for the fried chicken. Ayan na guys, so yung fried chicken nila, ang crispy at ang juicy. At pagdadip mo sa gravy, sarap sobra guys. At yan pizza, nahihintay na sa akin guys. At ayan guys, kumain na ako ng pizza. Wow, amazing. At eto din guys.